Today we are going to discuss E is equal to mc square. As you know, this is an Einstein equation. E is energy, m is mass, c is velocity of light. From Newton's second law, you know this thing, F is equal to d by dt into mv. Now that is equal to m dv by dt plus v dm by dt. Here it is from differential rule, m dv by dt plus v dm by dt. Now der, f into dx, fs, w is equal to what? Fs, so here f dx. Now here m dv by dt into dx plus v dm by dt into dx. Next, m dv dx by dt plus v dm dx by dt. Again mv and dx by dt, that is velocity, that is dv, plus v square dm, that is equation first. Try to understand, very simple. dm dx by dt, dx by dt again v into v square, that is v square dm, that is first equation. Since dx by dt is equal to v, you know velocity is change of displacement per unit time. Now m0 under root 1 minus v square by c square, or m square, squaring this thing, m square c square by c square minus v square. Again m square c square minus m square v square, cross multiplication. Here it is happening that cross multiplication, m square c square minus v square, that is m0 square c square, cross multiplication m square c square minus m square v square, that is equal to m0 square c square. Differentiating both sides, we get 2m dm c square, 2m dm c square minus 2m dm v square. Differentiating both sides we get, and is equal to 2v dv m square equal to 0. Again dm c square is equal to, here 2m is common and so it will be cancelled, both sides 2m, so LHS and RHS there is 2m, and so that will be cancelled. dm c square dmv dav plus v square dm, or dm c square equal to dex dividing by 2m. Okay, integrating both sides we get, after integration what will you get? C square, you know, constant. Here m to m0, dm, that is equal to dek, or c square m minus m0, that is dek, integration of dek ek, and dm, that will be integration, after integration there will be 1 m, dm of integration of dm, that will be m. C square m minus m0 is equal to ek, or ek is equal to lambda mc square, that is second. Here this is second equation, where delta m is equal to m minus m0 and is the mass converted into kinetic energy. What things are you observing? Where delta m is equal to m minus m0 and is the mass converted into kinetic energy. Thus the mass m0 is often termed as the rest mass of the body. The mass m0 is often termed as the rest mass of the body, and the term m0 c square as the rest energy of the body. Here rest mass and rest energy. The rest energy is regarded as a form of internal energy in the nature of particle constituting matter. Okay. Now mc square is equal to ek plus m0 c square, or total energy is equal to rest mass energy plus kinetic energy. If total energy is E is equal to mc square. What thinks total energy is E? Suppose total energy is, then in this case E is equal to mc square. This is known as Einstein's mass energy relationship. You can obtain from Newton's second law. Physical significance: the mass important result of the special theory of relativity. This relation shows that under suitable conditions, mass can be converted into energy and vice versa. Okay, that's all. Thank you.